Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement React Native Vector icons, which is not actually a part of the core React Native system. We actually have to add it. It's a package we have to add. This is the GitHub page for it, and this actually replaces the React Native icons. There are some advantages you can read over here, but what we need to do is install it with npm. Now it's really important that you run your command line as an administrator if you're in Windows. So let me just open up another command line. Okay, and we're going to go to the project folder. And you want to stop the React packager. So we're just going to Control C for now, stop that. And then we're going to do npm install React Native Vector icons -- save. Alright, so that looks like that worked out. Now we'll go ahead and before we start the packager again, we have to actually move the fonts folder to this folder here on Android. So what I'll do is open our folder in File Manager. We're going to go to Node Modules, React Native Vector Icons, right here. And we have this fonts folder. I think that's the one we want. Yeah. Alright, so let's grab that fonts, copy it, and then we're going to go to back to the root, and then Android app source main, and then it says assets and fonts. We don't have an assets folder, but I guess we can create it. And it says to use the lowercase font, so what I'll do is paste that in and then just rename it to lowercase fonts. Alright, so hopefully that works. Let's go ahead and start the packager again, React Native start. Okay, let's reload this. Alright, so I have this icons component that I created, which is just the boilerplate. And we're going to try to bring this in. So let's go, we can go back to the documentation. And what we want to do is, let's see, we want to import it just like this. We're going to use Font Awesome. And what's nice about this is you can use a bunch of different icon services. Font Awesome is really the only one that I use, so we're going to just bring that in. So we'll paste that in like that. And let's see. Let's give this a shot, this Facebook login with the icon. So it looks like we can use this icon.button. So I'm going to copy this, and let's go ahead and put that in right here. Okay, and let's save that. Hopefully that works. Let's unexpected tokens. Let's try reloading. Okay, so the button is rendering, but the icon still isn't. Alright guys, I had to take a little break there and I was able to fix it. Let me just show you what I did. So if we go down to the bottom of the page, the GitHub page, it says troubleshooting, the icons showed up as a crossed out box. So make sure you've copied the font to the assets folder. We did that. Then you have to delete the Android app build folder. So if you go into my mobile app, go to Android app and then build, you want to delete that, and then you have to recompile the project. So you're just going to want to, what I did was exit out of the emulator and then go back in, open up the emulator, and then you need to rerun, let's see, you need to rerun React Native run Android, and that will open the application and the icon showed up. Alright, so just delete the build folder, recompile the app, and you should be all set. Alright, so that is the icon button. Let's just try a regular icon. Alright, so let's see, we'll go right underneath and we'll say icon. Okay, it's going to take in a name. Let's say user, and we'll save that. And now you can see we have that little user icon. Now that's really small, so let's make it a little bigger. We can say size equals, and let's do 40. Okay, that makes it bigger. We can also change the color. So let's change the color to, let's grab this blue color. Save that. And there we go. So we can now insert these icons anywhere in our application. So that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.